Alright guys, welcome everyone. Today we'll be looking at writing in the form a bracket x plus h squared plus k, where a, h and k are constant. Now this topic is very important, especially when you find a minimum or maximum turning point. Alright guys, so you can go and read up on that. Alright, so let us begin. So say we are given 2x squared plus 4x minus 8, and we are asked to write it in this form. Now the first thing that we need to do is to bracket the x terms. So put the x terms in bracket. The next step is to factor out any number in front of the x squared. So in this case it's 2, any number, right? So we take out the 2, factor it out, then we divide. 2 into 2 gives us 1, so we can just write x squared. 2 into 4 gives us 2, so that will be 2x minus 8. The next step, we are going to split this. Maybe not split, but we're going to put a third term. But the condition is it must be a half of this and square it. So we're going to find a half of 2 and square it. So let us go. Half of 2 is 1, so we put the plus 1 and we squared it. Square means we multiply it by itself. So let's tidy up. X squared plus 2x, 1 times 1 would be 1, minus 8. Now the next thing we need to do is to take out this plus 1 here that we put in to balance the equation. However, the value of this plus 1 is not just 1, because remember it is multiplied by 2. So we say 2 times 1 is 2, so we take out minus 2. And we do this to balance the equation. So let us tidy it up. 2x squared plus 2x plus 1, negative 8 minus 2, both of them are negative, so it's minus 10. We're not finished yet guys, almost. We need to factorize this. And guys, if you do not know how to factorize, go back to my channel. So we need two numbers. When we multiply them, it gives us 1. And we add them, it gives us 2. That can only be, so when we multiply them, the result must be 1. And we add them, the result must be 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore it will be x plus 1 squared 2 minus 10. So that is in the form. So a x, this would be h, and this would be k. So guys, you see, now if we were to ask to find the maximum and minimum turning point, we would take the negative of h and k. So I'll be doing a video on the maximum and the minimum turning point. Alright guys? Alright. Let us do another one. And the instruction is the same. We're going to write in the form ax plus h squared, right? But we're going to change up the numbers so people can see the procedure. We're not going to put 2 this time. So 3x squared plus 12x plus 10. So the first thing we do is to bracket off the x terms. Next step, any number in front of the x squared, we take it out, factor it out, that's it, maths language, and we divide 3 into that, leave x squared. 3 into 12 leave 4 plus 10. Now we must find a half of the x term and square it. So let us do that. X squared plus 4x. A half of 4 will be 2. But remember, we're going to square it. And square means to multiply by itself. Alright, let's start it up now. X squared plus 4x. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we put the 4 there, plus 10. Now remember, we put in a plus 4 that was not originally there. So in order to balance the equation, we must take out this plus 4. But remember, the bracket means multiply. So it will be 3 times the 4. And 3 4s it be 12, so we minus 12. Let us tidy it up. X squared plus 4x plus 4. 10 minus 2 would be negative 2. If you don't know that, it's on my channel, to go and check it out. Now we need to factorize this part, but I'm just going to do the shortcut way because I already know, you guys already know how to factorize. So it would be two numbers, when we multiply them it gives us 4, and when we add them it gives us 4. That will be 2, so it will be x plus 2 squared. You can do it a long way if you wish, minus 2. And that is in the form ax plus h squared plus k. Alright guys, and remember we say if it's a minimum or maximum turning point, it will be negative h k. So in this case, it would be negative 2, and that would be the minimum turning point. Because once a is positive, we get a minimum turning point. So this would be the minimum turning point. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends so they can benefit also. Alright.